you're just playing silly buggers now.
Oh, I have had it up to here with you.
Look, where do you want to put these? Up my ass?
Well, I don't know. Do I use your common sense for once? The girls will be here any minute, and I haven't even started on the egg mayo yet.
I'm the only one that likes egg mayo. Do you want me to do the carrots? I still got to finish the lights yet, you know.
Oh, I wouldn't bother. It's like Santa's grotto in there already.
Oh, let me have a go.
Oh, it's not working, stupid thing.
It's because you've got Lurpak on your fingers, that's why.
Hello? Hello? Bam? Are you nearly here? Oh, you must be starving. No, I'm not making a fuss. Don't be daft. Of course there's no buffet.
Tell her we start at 6 o'clock on the dot. Same as always, no exceptions.
He won't start without you.
Oh, yes, he will.
He won't. I know. It's going to be strange without her. We'll just have to do the best we can. Yes. I know, Carabach. We all do. Hey, listen. We're all looking forward to hearing all about your travels. Signal's gone now, bloody thing.
Oi, carrots.
What?
Carrots.
What you talking about carrots for now?
Do you still want me to do the carrots for the buffet?
Yes, I thought you already had done so. You're driving me round the bloody bend.
Oh, it's just I want everything perfect for the girls, that's all.
Oh, I know, Del.
It's going to be so hard from this year, you know.
Are you eating those bloody breadsticks again?
No.
Oh, it'll be her. It'll be Bam. Oh, it's only you.
Oh, thanks.
False alarm. Now, come on in, quick.
Hello, you cheeky bugger!
Yeah, you bugger.
Oh, and who's this handsome lady? Is this the famous Jen we've been hearing about? Let's have a look at you then.
Hello, it's lovely to meet you.
Oh, lovely. Come here, you. Give us a coach.
Sorry?
Bloody hell, she's not English, is she?
So Maeve and Brian on the way over here said to give you this for the raffle.
Oh, thanks.
Bam you yet?
No, not yet. She'll be here any minute, though.
Rubbish, innit, this?
Hey, we'll have none of that. This is going to be a Christmas to remember, one to celebrate, one your man would have been proud of. I put out all the stops, business as usual. 6 o'clock on the dot, as usual, no exceptions.
Got new hankies in the stockings just in case.
Dolly, Dolly, Dolly!
Oh, I need a drink. Oh.
She looks like Tom Cruise with her hair like that, and not in a good way.
Is that Kim K from the flower shop?
Oh my god.
Thought Mum hated her.
And it is. Did you know her son's joining the army?
The army? What army?
The army?
Weird. I thought you worked in bargain booze.
Yeah, in like 2012.
Right, girls. It's 5:58, minus 2 minutes before the proceedings. It's going to be like Blackpool illuminations around here. Right, drinks.
He's been keeping himself busy with all this lights business. He says it's for the girls, but I know it's just to keep him going.
And how are you doing after it all?
Oh, bless you. It's not nice. It's been a shock for us all. You stay strong for the girls. Got to. Got to.
There's all a llawen to Mam.
Mam ate it risky.
Oh, shut up, fun sponge. Grandad,
Yeah.
can you refill our drinks?
Oh, where's it all gone? You haven't drunk all that already. Bloody hell. Hang on.
Thank you.
Nadolig llawen, blwyddyn newydd dda, glad tidings. Thought I'd pop by to hand deliver you these.
Diolch fel, very kind of you.
Little Bam arrived home yet from her travels?
Not yet. Expecting her soon, though, any minute.
Party, is it?
No, just the girls are around for a bit of a Christmas sing-along, you know. Keep them busy, what with all what's gone on this year.
Of course, bless you. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I used to be head of the church choir back in the day.
It has been mentioned, yes.
Fancy a bit of a sing-song myself, now you come to mention it.
Well, the thing is...
Buffet, is it?
Well, no,
Quite the spread?
Well, no, not really, but if you really
Wonderful.
want...
I'd love to. Room for a little one, ladies? Auntie Joy is coming through.
False alarm again. It's like Piccadilly Circus round here. Sorry, Jen, it's not normally like this. Right, who's for another drink? And I think I need one.
Was that Joy, yeah?
Yes, she just called to drop some chocolates off for the girls.
Oh. And was that Joya I saw going into the living room?
Not much I can do to stop her, really.
That woman has some nerve. She is unbelievable. Well, I'm having nothing to do with her, mark my words.
Oh, leave her be. She's harmless.
She is not helping herself to the buffet. I tell you that for nothing.
Who is Joya?
She's just a neighbour, lives on the corner. Right, let's get the show on the road, shall we? Bam can come and she join us when we get here. No rate comers.
Neighbour, worse luck.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Ah, she's lovely, isn't she, Jen? Very well-mannered. She handed me a bottle of Co-op Merlot, you know.
Dolly don't like her.
Excuse me, I never said that. I haven't got anything against her.
Do we not like Jen, then? Well, that's a shame. I thought she was lovely.
Well, I obviously like her.
I like her too, thank you very much. I haven't said a bad word about her.
It's not what you've said. It's what you haven't said.
I do like Jan.
Right, sorry, can't wait any longer. It was for 6 o'clock on the dot, as usual, and now it's 5 past. So I'm going to have to make a start. Right, I think everything's about ready. So you're not going to believe this, girls, when you see this. It's one for the history books.
Woo!
Hey, all right, then. Here we go. Then are you all ready for the countdown?
Yes.
OK, with me. As loud as you can, OK? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, bloody hell.
Grandad, are you okay?
Yes, I'm OK.
You alright?
Yeah. It's just I wanted this Christmas to be perfect, you know, for your mum. I just wanted everything to be...
I know.
I'm sorry, I let you girls down.
No.
What the bloody hell's going on in here? The whole street's in darkness. What? What have I missed now? Never go away again if this is what happens without me.
Oh, I'm back.
Bam.
Come on, Grandad. Silent night.
Holy night, holy round young virgin, mother and child. Holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly peace.